little video's got absolutely nothing to do with anything, really. Basically, I just got back from fishing, and while I was over there, before I was over there, I built this little rod here. It's like 6 foot long. It's got a little swivel to attach my fishing pole to it, and then it's got my GoPro on here. And what I did is I just hooked it to my fishing pole, let it down, and film whatever, came across. Problem I had was, number one, the lighting. Some of the film was just too dark, you couldn't see anything. The other one was I'm holding it in the boat, and the boat's going up and down, so the camera's going up and down. So some of it, well, what I'm saying is it's not that good. But I thought I'd put some of the clips together and just show you kind of what I was looking at. Some of the stuff's cool, some of the stuff's boring, but it is what it is. So let's look at the video.